Hello and welcome to another lesson of Python programming for beginners. Let's start with creating a small file. Okay, so let's call it input.py. So we will learn how we can take input in Python. Okay, so let's start with printing a message. Let's say print enter the name so that we can take input the name. Okay, so let's say n equals to, I'll call input method, so or input function, whatever you want to say. So this is the function which will take input, and let's print that with a text now. So let's call it, let's say hello, and I'll say concat n, so it will print the message or it will print the text. Okay, so it will print hello, whatever name we pass. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so let's call it a python input.py. okay, so it's prompting us enter the name, and the cursor is there in the next line, so we can write the name. Let's say ABC. So if I hit the enter, okay, we can get hello ABC. We can get hello ABC. Let's add another, let's see if there is another way. Basically we have another way, or we can call it a small shortcut way to take input. Okay, so what there is, so here if you see we have used 3 lines. Here we see we have used 3 lines. Okay, so we have used a message, okay, and then we are using the input here, and then we are printing it here. Okay, so we can do it in 2 lines. What I can say is, let's say I can directly say name equals to, I can directly call input method. Okay, in this I'll directly give a message. Let's say enter the name, and I'll say like this. Okay, so it will take input here only, and then I can, let's say, print let's use the similar structure. Let's say hello, and we'll concat that with name. Okay, so let's see how it works. Okay, so let me run this again from the terminal. So it's for the first input, let's say ABC, and now for the second one it's asking me directly with the message. Let's say enter name, and if I say XYZ, it's printing hello XYZ as well. So this is how we can take the input with Python. Hope you have understood this. This is really very simple. The main thing we need to understand is we use input method. So we can use input blank, so this will go to the next line and it will ask you for the input. You can even use the input with the message directly, so that it prints the message and takes the input. So in both the way you can use this. Hope you have understood this. So see you in the next lesson.